Let's go up to the canvas here and let's get started.
I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart.
My friends, I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply matrices. First, what we're going to want to do is draw the pretty little brackets right there. Just like that, the pretty little brackets. And then we're going to put our numbers in, our happy little numbers. You see that? Look at that little 2. He's just sitting there, being a little 2. That 4 is negative. He shouldn't be very negative. Let's have this 1. He's the best. He's number 1. And then we have the 3 right there, an 8, and another negative number, and that's a negative 2. Beautiful. Now we're just going to put another little set of happy little brackets, just like that. We're going to have another negative number, just like that. See, negative 2. You shouldn't be that negative. And there's going to be 4 right there. Another negative number. There's so many negative numbers here. Let's see, negative 6 right there. No, that's not a negative 6. I'm sorry. That's a regular 6. There's an 8. And there's a negative 14 right there. Those are our 2 matrices.
Let's build a happy little cloud. Let's build some happy little trees.
Singing, don't worry.
About matrices. 'Cause all you gotta do is cross multiply. Doing that this morning, finding interment. Cross multiply and subtract them. Singing out songs. Matrices fun and true. This is my message to you. Don't worry about matrices. 'Cause all you gotta do is cross multiply.
There are no limits here. Start out by believing.
Now we are going to multiply them together, because they don't deserve to be apart. They just need to be together. Let's see. We will take that little 2 right there, and we are going to multiply it with that negative 2. You see that? And then we are going to add that to negative 4 times that other negative 4. And then we're going to take that 1 and the 8. So it's like we're going like this and this. And we are going to multiply 1 and 8. Simple as that. See? And then we're going to take this row again, but then multiply it by this row. So we are going to take the 2 and the 4 and add it to negative 4 and 6. And then that negative 4 and 6 is going to be added to that 1 and negative 14. Perfect.
You can almost paint with anything. All you have to do is practice.
With the snappy equation. Tell me that I'm wrong, but I know that I'm right. I can do this math equation day and night. Now at the stage I can do it without parole. Darling, the sun and me. Multiply
by believing here. This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this canvas.
We're going to take this bottom 3 numbers right here, and we are going to multiply them right there. So we're going to take that 3 and multiply it by the -2. And then we're going to add that to 8 and -4. Wonderful, just like that. And then we're going to take that little -2 and multiply it by 8. Just like that. See? We have those 3 sets of numbers right there. Now we just need one more. So we're going to take this last column right here and multiply it by this one. So we're going to take that 3 and multiply it to 4. And to add, there's a little 8 right there. And there's that 6 from before. And then we're going to take that -2, add it to -14. Wonderful. And then we'll put that other little set of happy brackets. See, I can't put them all in there at the same time because it's getting too big for the paper.
Let's build a happy little cloud. Let's build some happy little trees. There are no limits here.
We're gonna laugh, so take your notebooks. We're gonna take some teacher notes. Determinants, learning about matrix. Oh, we'll make sure you won't forget. Ooh, matrix. Matrix. Bigger are the heart of you. It's robot code, don't get confused. 2 times 2, A, B, C, D. A times D, then B times C. Matrix. AD minus BC. Matrix! That's the way, 2 by 2. Matrix. What if there's more than 2? It's not what I bet there are.
This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this canvas.
Now we are going to draw another little set of happy brackets. We're going to put all of these together. Now, 2 times -2 equals, -4. It's such a negative number. I don't like it. -4 times 4 equals a 16. See, because those are both negatives. It's wonderful. And then we are going to add that to 8. That eliminates that. And now we are going to take 2 and 4 to make 8. And then add that to -24, which is -4 times 6. And then we're going to add that to -14. So that eliminates this happy set of numbers.
You can do it, cause you can do it, you can do it. Relax, let it flow, think like water.
Elsa? Can you help me with my homework? Come on, let's simplify. You just isolate the variable, add like terms, and then we solve for y. You don't even have to graph it. It's not that hard, just even out this side. Can you help me with my homework? It's really easy homework.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye.
It's getting harder. They're adding letters and fractions.
Let me help you.
No, it'll hurt you. Elsa, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. You have to pass, and I can help you too. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. It's a multi multi-step equation, no harder than the first. Please, I can help you through. I can help you with your homework.
I believe it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. I believe.
Then we're going to take 3 and -2, and that gives us -6. And then we put that little happy plus sign there, and then 8 times -4 gives us a -32. Wonderful. And then put that little plus sign there, and then -2 plus 8 equals -16. So that takes that set of numbers out. We're almost there. Now we take 3 and 4, and that gives us 12. And then we add that to 8 and 6, which gives us 48. Wow, that's quite a big number. And then 2 and -14 gives us -28. Wonderful. You see that? We are so close to being done. You guys are so awesome.
You can almost paint with anything. All you have to do is practice.
Hey, pause it. Cause I'm so dumb. I'm really, really dumb. Cause teach me cause I'm dumb. Cause I'm so dumb. I'm really, really dumb.
3, 6, 9, look at that line. It's time to finally multiply the numbers. Are gone, they're gone, they're gone. They're gone, they're gone.
To the window, to the wall, to the wall. There's math upon these walls. We're gonna show you all. Get your answer. Get your answer.
Yeah.
Get your answer.
Okay.
Get your answer.
Yeah.
41. So bad, so wrong. You can't do it like that. Question is, will you? Let me show you how to do this line. 3, 6, 9, yo, start with yo, parentheses. 3 times 6 gonna equal 18. Confusing line? All you got left is yo exponent. 9 to 18.
It is getting easier to do this, man. I'm working, man. I like to see 3 times 6 to the power of 9. Better understand this now. 18 to the power of 9. I got my answer. Little John and the charter boys with me. Let me spell this answer.
This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on this campus. Believe.
-4 plus 16 plus 8, that will give us 20. Awesome. 8 plus -24 plus 14 will give us -30. That's our second number. So we have that through and that through. Now 6 plus -32 plus -16 will give us -54, and 12 plus 48 plus -28 will give us 88. And that, my friends, is our answer. You have done tremendously, and now you know how to multiply matrices. Look at that. See? He's waving goodbye. You see that? You did a great job.
We don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents. You can do anything that you want to do. Total power. Sing along, have a good time.